Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back. Guys, we're going to take a look at this worksheet. We're going to graph these linear inequalities. Okay, again, first you treat it like a line. Right, this first one, it says y greater than negative 2x plus 1. So plus 1, that's where it goes through the y-axis at plus 1. That's right there. All right, and it has a slope of negative 2. Okay, guys, so it's going to kind of be pointed down like this. All right, so it's down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, like that. You can go the other side if you want. All right, this just says y greater than. So this is a dotted line, okay? So you make a dotted line. All right, and y greater than. So here's the y-axis. It's above. It's up here. And that's all you have to do. You can shade like that if you want to kind of shade it all like that. All right. Any point in here is the answer. Any point in here will satisfy this inequality. All right, so let's do number 2. Same thing, you guys. First, we look for the y-intercept, plus 5. That's right there. All right, positive 5. This has a slope of negative 1. So again, it's kind of down like this. All right? So it's down 1 over 1. Down 1 over 1. All right? Just draw it like that. Now, this says y less than or equal to. So this is a solid line. It includes the line. So just draw a solid line. Like that. And guys, sometimes it might be a little hard to determine if it's dotted or solid. You can just write your answer if you want to write like dotted. Or just write like solid. Like that, okay? Just to determine, that's what I meant to do. All right, and this says y less than or equal to, less than. So it's below this line. Again, look at the y-axis. Below. Like that. Okay? Number 3. Again, you guys, this is, the y-intercept is negative 3. So start there. That's where the y-intercept is negative 3. When x is 0, y is negative 3. This has a slope of 4. So this is kind of steep, up like this. Okay, a positive slope of 4. So count up 4 over 1. So up 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. Okay, something like that. And this says y greater than or equal to. So it's a solid line. All right, y greater than. Okay, you can look at the y-axis. It's above this line, up here. Y greater than, up here. All right? Guys, I think in the exit ticket, they'll give you a multiple choice. And you can print this worksheet if you want. Or it's okay if you just want to watch the video and kind of see how I do it. That's okay too. All right, number 4. Guys, there's no y-intercept listed out here. It's really plus 0. You can think of it like that. So it goes right through the origin, right there. All right, this has a slope of 2/3. So it's not quite 1. It's a little bit less than 1. It's kind of like that, maybe. Okay, it's something like that. So go up 2 over 3. Up 2 over 1, 2, 3. Again, it's a positive slope. So it's going up like this. 1, 2 over 1, 2, 3, like that, okay? And again, this says y greater than or equal to. So it's a solid line. It includes the line, okay? Let's get another point there so I can see it. All right, solid line. Y greater than or equal to, greater than. So you shade above that line like that. Okay? As we have 2 more to do. I think you guys will be pretty good at these. But the last 2, this one says the y-intercept is -4. So just come down here to -4 and plot your first point. This has a slope of 1/5. So it's kind of flat. It's positive, but it's kind of flat like that. Okay, it just goes up a little bit. So it's up 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. And maybe back 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Back 5. All right? This says y greater than. All right, so this is a dotted line. There's no line underneath the inequality sign. It does not include this line. So just dotted. Dot, dot, dot. Like that. Dotted. All right, and this says y greater than. So it's above the line. Everything above the line up here. All right, y is greater than whatever this stuff is. Here's the y-axis, so it's up here. Again, any point up here will satisfy this inequality. All right. All right, last one, number 6. Guys, the y-intercept is +1, so plot your point right there. The slope is -1/2. So it's negative, so it's pointing down like this, and it's a little bit flat, kind of like that. All right, so it's down 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2. Like that. There. All right. This says y less than. Has to be less than. All right, so it does not include the line itself. So this is, again, a dotted line. And this says y less than. So it's below the line, shade below the line. Okay? Guys, that's all you need to do here. The exit ticket is multiple choice. Okay? So you can choose which graph. That's it. If you have any questions, go ahead and email me. Thanks, you guys.